This is day 3 of me trying to make a good ad for my book with Sora, ChatGPT's new video model. And because it's day 3, I get 3 prompts. Now, if you've been following along, I've been kind of trying to figure out my own rules for this challenge, and it doesn't really necessarily matter, but I'm going to try today 3 prompts and play with the remixing feature. And I'm going to just tighten this browser a little bit so you can see. I'm going to do this in one take and pause a lot. So as you can see, I've tried a couple other things recently. Day 1, we had kind of these weird, I just gave it next to nothing. And the big thing I'm learning with Sora is everything you've thought about with ChatGPT in terms of kind of going back and forth is a little bit not the way to think about this as a video model, which many of you probably already knew. These are just some other demos from other products, but kind of interesting. So let me skip around. What I'm going to do first is I'm in my personal paid ChatGPT account, which is how I got Sora. They don't have it in the Teams yet. And I'm going to try ChatGPT o1 Pro mode. This has a little more reasoning. And I'm going to work with ChatGPT to actually build a prompt for the video. So I'm going to cheat a little bit today and try to do a little cooler video overall. I started by trying to upload a PDF and it wouldn't let me upload a PDF. So I just asked, hey, what format do you want me to upload the book in? It wouldn't let me upload a PDF. Then I changed the file type to all types. Then it said you could upload a PDF, and I said, So let's see what happens. Couldn't get any of the new o1 models to play nice with the PDF or EPUB. So loading the PDF. Giving ChatGPT some background about what we've tried. Asked it to suggest some chapters or sections from chapters to focus on. I like number 5. Let's try that. So number 5 is this up and to the right spiral. Let's see what it gives me. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It just gave me 3 prompts. So for today, I'm just going to try each of these. Prompt 1, the spiral of growth. Prompt 2, the breakthrough moment. And prompt 3, the journey of the spiral. I'll plug these in and show you what it comes up with. I might also do some remixing. Let's check it out. So I'm just copying and pasting, taking this in here. It's maybe recommending that I do a storyboard. I don't think that's necessary. We're going to do presets. I'm going to start with none and play with remixing. So my remixes don't count for this for today. Still 9:16, still 480p. I'm going to give it more duration. I'm going to give it as much as 20. Actually, I'll keep it at 15 seconds. Let's hit go. While it's doing the first one, I think I can start another prompt. So I'll start prompt 2. I'm just going to copy paste the breakthrough moment. Copy. Same presets. And those aren't done yet, so I'll do number 3 at the same time. Let them go. It's still working. So this is really interesting. The third one finished first. And we've got the first one still not done yet. So let's look at these in order. Interesting. 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 These make a little more sense. It's okay. It's a little outlandish. Still putting words on the screen at the end of this one. It's a little weird. That one makes a little more sense. Okay, and then the very first one. It's okay. It's kind of silly. I I think what we're gonna have to do is we're definitely going to have to kind of storyboard this and make more specific scenes. Maybe tomorrow I'll try making a script and then kind of coming up with the exact scenes for it. This is what we've found in our other endeavors where we build these out with like multiple AI models. I mean, some of these aren't too bad. These are useful videos with the right voiceover. That one's actually pretty close. You could put the right headline on it. So something there. This weird spiral at the end is kind of silly. Um, well, there you go. So that's three prompts, and I will load those into ads here at some point. We'll start to kind of play with how these all go. Um, for bonus time, what I want to do of all of them, I think I kind of like this one the best. So I'm going to try the remix. No, I don't want to do strong remix. Actually, I think I can just do, okay, you can do the settings. Recut is just an editor. I knew that already. Um, all right, this doesn't technically count, but let's look at the prompt here. Um, Spiral of growth. Let's just try reprompting it, but I'm only going to do one variant this time. Variation, just one, spiral of growth, and we'll try. I haven't tried stop motion or archival or cardboard yet. I'm going to run it in all the various formats. I can tell you the film noir just basically makes it black and white and moody. So we'll try cardboard and papercraft as well. Okay, here's my favorite of those in the various other formats. Can't say that these are a lot better. That's kind of weird. That's okay. It's kind of more of the same. This last one looks promising. Oh, this is the cardboard, paper, whatever one. It's a little odd, but something there. Okay, well, we got a bunch of these. That was kind of fun for the day. I get more prompts tomorrow. Looks like we're going to have to do some more work developing these concepts. And so looks like we'll need to do more work on these concepts. Maybe for tomorrow, you can help me build more of a storyboard for a video script for one of the other topics. I'm going to go back to the topics it gave me. I liked A Tale of Two Ads. Now, I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to go into my personal GPT and I'm going to try Pro Mode and I'm going to tell it what I'm doing. So I'm giving it this, like I'm working on building a video script. Ultimately, I will use this to promote a book I wrote. One of the concepts in the book I worked on with another agent is what I pasted in, and I'm just going to see if it'll do what I want. I'd like you to think about short ads, stories, and compelling content in story form for the evening, and tomorrow morning come back to me with three, actually four ideas for how this could be a great video script. The ad can be between 30 seconds and as long as 2 minutes. Please think and research for a while. I'll come back later. Pro mode is supposed to be able to do what the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, was talking about. Ultimately, you'll have lots of different GPTs, and sometimes you tell somebody on your team, hey, go think about this and come back to me. So I'm going to see if it'll do that. And it looks like it's going to be thinking for a while. So I'll be back tomorrow.